Tarinin.
Inside the old city, approximately everything is very old. Some buildings was built on the 12th century, some buildings was built on the 15th century, but some buildings was built in a Soviet Union time. Okay, inside the old city, you will see the Maiden Tower, which was built on the 12th century, and also inside the old city, which is consists to Azerbaijan, all the historical souvenirs, some magnets, everything inside the old city area. Also, you will see the old hammam. Hammam in our language like bathroom, which was not Turkish. It's Turkish different, Azerbaijan is different. Also, which was built in the 15th century. The name of this hammam is Haji Bani Hammam. Okay? Haji Bani Hammam, yes. When we will pass from there, I will give you total information about that hammam. Okay, let's go this place. And the roads is very old, which was built in the 12th century. When we will go to another side, you will see the roads which is under the construction. Okay, but in the middle side of the old city, you will see the road which was built in the 12th century.